everyone in. Look at what we've got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all. We've got it all. Lots of excitement, bargains and fun. Shopping convenience for everyone. At SM, it's all at SM. Here at SM, we've got it all for you.
Yo guys, this is your boy MNTBN and this is Kendrick Musket with a nigga. We have something to buy in SM City Cebu. Let's go. Rainy afternoon. So yeah guys, kompleto na ang group. Wala lang si Janjan Kakuyog kay
Pakats Iring.
Nasad. So guys, we're still walking on the road. Magsakay pa mig minibus.
I was walking down the street the other day, trying to distract myself, but then I see your face. Oh wait, that's someone else. Trying to play it coy, trying to make it disappear. But just like the Battle of Troy, there's nothing settled here. In my room there's a king-size space, bigger than it used to be. If you want you can rent that place, call me an amenity. Even if it's in my dreams.
Grabe, grabe guys. After that, grabe, nakaka-DC. Palo na sa SM.
Lain maagyanan ko dito.
Char lang. First time man din natunog ka nakita ratulong ka nagkasenta.
Radisson na no?
Nakamata ko na si Kim Kim. Sige lang habutan ang salida, my God.
Ha? Yo guys! First nga paliton this badminton racket for Lenny. Kaya she's a badminton player. Oh, it's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. Wala, nice kayo yung mga kwan. Oh. I love this. Next. Uy, chuyan yung beard dong. Honestly, bitaw guys, wala may kayo ko. Asa mo palit o bracket? Pao lagi. Monta na ka. Pao lagi. Saan?
know you say you know me well, but these days I don't even know myself, no. I always thought I'd be with someone else. I thought I would own the way I felt, yeah. I call you but you never even answer. I tell myself I'm done with wicked games, but then I get so numb with all the laughter that I forget about the pain. Oh, you stress me out, you kill me, you drag me down, you fuck me up. We're on the ground, we're screaming, I don't know how to make it stop. I love it, and I can't take it, but I keep on coming back to you.
Diyos ko.
Servicer, body massage.
Hindi lang po ate, mga mempera. Derp. Hi guys, so we are here at the bowling center. Still looking for a place to buy kasi badminton. But since nami dire, I'm just gonna take pictures of me here. Ayan. Pause naman jud ka to. We have no choice but to ask people. Sige, laka-laka lang sa tanya. Try na nato sa Cyberzone B kay magtanaw ko ka iPad or Lenny will be conquering her fear.
Lain kayo boy ka nang mukha na ako dito man yung kanang snail.
Tata. JB music, it means G-boy music. Oh. So this is the crazy part of SM. Unsa din nasa sun eh. So ang first na lang mga paliton is tripod na ako. Gorilla tripod sa Cyberzone. So padaw namin sa Cyberzone. Guys. Okay. Tara si The King ah.
So hi, ito yung G-boy na malit po di ay. So,
Nagpot niya dire.
ba't pamin niya takong diri? Ikaw pa siya nga to ay. Tora. I-zoom na ko. Yun. Yung naka-paint. Yung pangit. Sila kami ngayon.
Muna min.
Wala man.
I'm still using the old tripod that I have kay wala gapon ko nakapalit sa Sidarting tripod.
Wala.
Guys, we're still walking in SM.
Kuhan ka nang sa truck.
Sa men man sa So you are Stripes and you are Stripes. You're both Stripes. And I was like, pink.
Dito na lagi.
Kasi gusto mo magpakuan sa inyong face. Bakit lang asa ta to bis or dire pero try sa nato dire niya magnanao lang sa ta. Yes sir. Len tara dire.
Oo, dili.
Ada ko din.
Boy, tapos merong maraming tambok. Dol, wala pa ikuan dol. Yung bangon ng ulam niya.
I have a bad feeling about this thing.
Why?
Magluod lang siya tanawon. Sige, tanaw na sa ta dire niya. Ato tas Tobis. Sige, balik na ta. Okay, up next Tobis. Napakay 100. Oh, nice. Lagi ka na yung t-shirt.
T-shirt.
Sound saan? Prince Imohar, kanina lang Bob.
Kanila ba
Babolat. Sige, babolat mo. Dong. Sa Prince Barrels Club, kitang tat. Uy, cool kay gutang nga lang. Ken, look at this rich girl. I got fake people showing fake love to me, straight up to my face. Yeah, we are here in the most favorite shop of teenagers nowadays. Artwork.
Hi sir, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Kailangan kag pandas.
Yes. So much.
Oi, mate. I am the boy MNTB and... Aww.
Ay, in ito eh.
I love pagongs with that.
Akong kaliwat ba?
Hey. You're so cool.
Kani okay cute to me.
Dong, so there's the thing that catch my eyes. This thing.
Uy, kabad, anak.
What is this thing? Tag 29 pag yun. Ah, straw. Straw. For real.
Real straw?
Uy, Chuya, ano? Aba? Oo nga na eh.
Kundo ba?
Oh, hili kag mga furnitures, ara ka sa Ace Hardware. Kung ganan gani kag mga mata. Sa ganang mga mata. Mahal ana eh, giglas man gani na basta giglas mahal na. Manguha ko na tadrig ka ng perfume. Sige, ita na eh. Kumot. H&M bro, H&M. Oh, cool. Dong, sure ko dong. Terus man siya mahal. Wow!
Wala pang babae.
This is what we told them. Nice. You give me purpose. Sige, so you gotta buy it?
Yes.
Yay guys! Wala sad. Yay guys! Wala sad. Hey, we found St. Paul's na guys. We have our St. Paul's. Oh, just say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Bye, Laverne. I miss you. Just met our former classmate Laverne Anori, which is best example of transformation. So that's it.
Napalit ako kay mga 40 na ito pati.
This is such a cool book.
The last summer.
I know my friends, they give me bad advice, like move on, get you out my mind. But don't you think I haven't even tried? You got me cornered and my hands are tied. You got me so addicted to the drama. I tell myself I'm done with wicked games, but then I get so numb with all the laughter that I forget about the pain. Oh, you stress me out, you kill me, you drag me down, you fuck me up. I'm on the ground, screaming, I don't know how to make it stop. I love it, I hate it, and I can't take it, but I keep on coming back to you.
Guys, so gibilin ko nila dire sa food court kaya mapalit ko sila waffle. But I think it's a good idea also. Wala ako sa SM.